Welcome back, everybody. Today I am going to clear up these headlights. So these headlights are fogged up pretty bad, and what I want to do is clean them up real good and then throw some clear coat on them. This way I can at least hopefully get a handle on it as I'm making a fashion statement. And I would just get new ones. The problem is, for the Toyota Matrix, new headlights run about $150 to $200 at the time of making this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and clean them up first. So, first step, this would be the part where you cover your bumper and your fenders and your hood to protect your paint, but the paint on this car has already seen better days, so I'm gonna go ahead and skip that part until later. And what I'm going to do is use some baking soda and some whitening toothpaste. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is close this hood. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this area with a little bit of water. There we go. Then start by putting some toothpaste on the headlight, and then just start rubbing it. And when they're really fogged up, this might take a minute, so just be patient. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and take some of this baking soda. Try not to make a mess like I just did. All right. And then let's see how this came out. And this is what it looks like now. Looks better than it did. I might go ahead and try it a second time. There's definitely nothing wrong with that. And here we go. I mean, it's an improvement. Hopefully the clear coat will make it look a little better than it does now. All right, and then here's this one, and this one seems to look a little better than this one. This one was scrubbed twice, still seems to have a little bit of fog there, where this one almost looks completely new. So, but at least now it looks better, and even more importantly, I should have better visibility at night. If your headlights were just slightly fogged, this is where you can throw some polish on them and call it a day. But me, I want to go ahead and throw some clear coat on them. But I think I'm going to break this video up into two just because this one's already over 10 minutes long. So Lord willing, I will see you guys next week, and we'll throw some clear coat on these headlights. See how they look. You guys have a blessed day and take care. Also, I invite you to come check out Jesus Bible Study. I take passages from the Bible and make them relevant to today's world. Link to this week's video will be in the description. If you like today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.